Hi there, guys. Back here with the update on the Aussie dollar trade that I took. Um, yeah, I've scaled out the trade. It hit number 3 take profit level at the 127 level. It reached precisely the 127 level. As you guys can see, price, it's amazing how price respected the for now at least the 127 level. So yeah, um, interestingly enough, um, um, yeah, price, I'm sorry, that was the weekly chart. Price was at least for now, it it closed it closed right around these levels. I'm gonna try to zoom in and see if I can show. Yeah, let me try to shift it a little. Yeah, any more levels? Okay, these are the levels. I'm trying to pick up a few levels, but yeah, price just um, just closed right around these at the bottom of the range, um, of the daily range. Um, yeah, let me just make it a little bit more perfect because so you guys perhaps can see it better. Yeah, right over here. So yeah, so the 127 level, uh, it was a nice target. I'm just hoping to take profit, and in all honesty, I think this trade will go all the way down to 200%. As you can see, there was a nice up move right here, and there's this kind of consolidation here where there was a nice move up, something like this, or even everything, even all this. Yeah, could be considered the consolidation for it. But yeah, I honestly think it's gonna make it all the way to 200%. That's a long shot. I'm not trying to prove anything here. So yeah, I just took a lot of it, letting it run. Interestingly enough, this is a an account that I opened the 2 weeks ago. Thursday, actually, I made a deposit and I began to trade it. It's a $1,000 account, and I have had no losses, and I've been able to put I have one but sorry 17% equity already in the books for this account. So not trying to be boastful, not trying to be showing off here, but it's just to let you guys know that there's no need, or at least there's no desperate need to be in front of M5, M15, 15-minute, 5-minute charts to make money in this business. I'm not able all the time to look at charts the whole day. I have 2 kids. I do other stuff. I have a job. I'm also a CrossFitter. I like to train CrossFit. So yeah, I have other stuff to do. I have a wife, so you know the drill. So yeah, this is just to let you guys know that this is encouragement. I mean, you can, you can perfectly make money by knowing what you're doing, and just paying attention to what the market is doing. I mean, there's a lot of bull traps and bear traps, and where the market is driven towards, and yeah, this is the kind of stuff you should be paying attention, and not in like, oh, this candle is like this or that candle is like that. So yeah, this is, this is a buy, this is a sell. That's not the way it works. Um, so all in all, this is a method. ICT's got a great method. I think it's probably the best I've seen. Um, I know other traders that can make a lot of money, but they probably don't know how to share, and they're not caring enough to share. Maybe so. Yeah. Um, and Michael knows I don't need to be here. Talking his stuff. He makes money. He makes this for charity. So all we can do is be thankful. For him to be sharing this with us. So yeah. So moving on a little bit. I thought today's pound dollar price action was pretty impressive, and I've been watching Michael's latest videos. This new concept, the dealer's range concept, made during the last few hours of the session. Um, uh, it's a great concept in its inception, and it makes a lot of sense. And and the fair value was great enough because it's a mean reversion concept, and this in a sense is also a mean reversion concept. So yeah, what I like to call you guys the attention to is the price action involved, and and what happened today. It was great price action. I have to say, I have to admit. So so I just took the opportunity to just have the three standard deviation levels done, or in advance, so I don't have to be here and doing all these squares for you. So yeah, the only thing this trade didn't wasn't quite perfect. It was because it happened. It actually happened right in between the London Open and New York Open session. Other than that, it was awesome. It was like symmetrical and simply great. Um, yeah, sorry about that. Um, so let me try to zoom out a little bit so I can pull the fib first, um, and show you first of all the confluences that we had um, on this price action here. Um, so oh, sorry, I just used the wrong swing points. Sorry. Um, it was this and this. Yeah, I got it right. Sorry about that, guys. A lot of stuff in my mind right now, but yeah. So this was the swing points, and funny enough, price made it all the way through to the 70.5 level. There was an order block at the 1 hour time frame. You can go ahead and check it. But one other aspect of this trade was this. This was really impressive. The daily MR1, right in the vicinity of the 79. 70.5 retracement levels, and right into the second stage of the standard deviation. So I find it interesting when I see this stuff. So yeah, that's another piece of awesomeness, as you will, um, for this price section itself. And another thing that I think it was great. It was this. This is simply awesome. Now have a look at this. Have a look at this relation right here. This relation right here was great. Hopefully you guys can be able to see what I'm talking about. Try to extend as best as I can. But do you see how much price penetrated at first at trade entry, right in between the 0 mark and the 23.6 mark, and here pretty much the same, the 0 mark and the 23.6 mark. So therefore I don't think there was a coincidence for this. I think the market is very symmetrical. It's fractal, as Mark loves to say it, and it's a pattern inside patterns. It moves geometrically in some sense. So I promised myself I wouldn't be surprised anymore with this kind of things, but I found it amazing. I mean, it's almost to the pip. Um, this relationship here. So yeah. So this was a very impressive price action. I could I can tell you guys that it was amazing. As far as I'm concerned, this is the kind of thing that we don't see every day. I mentioned this price action earlier on at the cable and fiber intraday setups, and probably people didn't pay too much attention to it, but this was what I had. I was looking at, and yeah, this is kind of a mirror. See, it's kind of a mirror. So yeah, pretty impressive. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this presentation, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.